Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iOS updates not showing up in settings. If you're not seeing iOS update in settings app, it can be due to various reasons. But in this video I will give you some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. First of all you have to do is check Apple servers. Ensure that Apple servers are not expressing any issue or downtime that could be affecting your ability to see updates. You can check the Apple system status page at www.apple.com for information on server status. After this, then you have to do is refresh the software update page. Sometimes the software update page might not refresh automatically. Go to your settings, go to general, go to software update and pull down on the screen to manually refresh the update status. After this, then you have to do is connect to Wi-Fi. iOS updates are typically larger and may not available for download over cellular data. Ensure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. You can check this by going to your control center and from here you can connect to your Wi-Fi. After this, then you have to do is check available storage. Ensure that you have enough free storage space on your device to download and install the update. Go to your settings, go to iPhone storage and check how much available storage you have. If there is insufficient storage for your iPhone, then simply consider deleting unnecessary app files and photos. After this, then you have to do is check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes interfere with update checks. So you have to go to your settings, go to general, tap on date and time and make sure that your time zone is set correctly and set automatically is enabled. After trying these and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches, so you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if restarting doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to simply do reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other network related issues but can solve your issue of update not showing. So you have to do is simply open your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.